Sorry we haven't been making videos lately because we've been really busy.
What'd you do to your arm?
I broke it. We have been doing things like building this huge pontoon boat.
30-foot pontoon boat. The progress, I do have video of it. I just have to edit it. A lot of it. It's an old beast. But a little bit of help can make her look new.
We have had something done to the Jeep, and that is gears.
Yes, and I did not have the proper tools to do it, so I had Pine Mountain Auto Repair in Avis, Pennsylvania, area code 570. They did all the work for me.
In this video, we're going to show you what 488 gears do with 35-inch tires. This Jeep is a 6-speed stick.
Yes, it's a 6-speed stick. It's a standard transmission. So, got the 35s. Can't see the gears, but they're 488s. Okay, this video, Aurora's holding the phone, so I can have my hands free. Over this way a little bit. There you go. Got you a speedometer, tachometer. That way you get a rough guesstimate of what your Jeep will do with 35-inch tires and 488 gears. Might be a little too bright out, so I'm going to read it off as I'm going. First gear, second gear, and roughly I shift rate around 2,000 to 3,000 RPM. And might not be able to get a full shot out of this. I will take it up on the highway and get some higher speed footage. Not that this is a speed demon, but you know what I mean. Alright, starting off in first gear. Check the traffic. 2,000. Now my speedometer is off by 5 miles an hour. I think all Jeeps are like that. Third gear. About 30 mile an hour right now. 25. 3,000 RPM. 40 mile an hour. Mind you, it's 5 mile an hour off. There's fourth gear. It says 40 at 2,500. Well, a little bit more. 45 at 2,500. Hold it out here a little bit more. There you go. I'm in fourth gear. Alright, shift now. Fifth gear. It's a little more bumpy. Still doing about 45. I'm in fifth gear right now. Sixth gear. Try to hold it steady. There. 70 mile an hour, 2,500 RPM. That's roughly what you got right there. We'll try it on the highway too. I'm still in sixth gear. 1,500 RPM. I just dropped it in fifth gear. And we'll get out on this other road where it's not so bumpy and give you some higher speeds. Alright, we're going to try this again. Maybe less bumpy of a road. In first gear right now. Always use your blinker. Gotta wait for the traffic. First gear, take off. A little bumpy there. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Taking it slow, there's a lot of curves on this, but I am in fifth gear once I get out of this. Still in fifth gear. Alright, now we can break her open a little bit. Here a little bit more. Sixth gear. 2,500 RPM. Roughly 65 mile an hour. That's a little less than 25. Get past the residential area. A little past 70. You see it, it looks pretty good. Like I said, this speedometer is off about 5 miles an hour, so fastest I went was about 68. Now we'll pull off the side of the road up here. It's not too bad. So it's 6 speed. It's a 6 speed. So now you get a rough guesstimate of what 35-inch tires with 488 gears will do. Pretty comfortably. A lot of people talk about the 456s. Another very good option. For 35s, yeah, I wouldn't go past that, but it's all on what you want and what you want to do. I barely drive this, so it is what it is. I'm really happy with the 488s, but I would have rather went with probably something in the 5s. Okay, you don't see a lot of people do this. They don't give you full in depth of what it's like in low gear. Alright, shine her up here. First gear in low with the 488s, 35-inch tires, 6 speed. That's first gear. Oh. Second gear. Come on, Betsy. You're about to hit me in the face with that. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Sixth gear. You can get roughly about 30 mile an hour with a decent RPM. That's what you're going to get with low gear.